I turned this camera on to let you hear this demon that's been, whatever this monster is, that's been around all night making noise, fussing. I don't think he's cussing, but so I don't know what this is that turned on this the sound to mask. It's so I'm gonna open this and see who's making a sound in order to keep you from hearing this thing outside. So where is it? Is it a truck hiding around the corner? What's making that sound? Because it wants to mask that sound from this thing, whatever it is. It just get the whatever's making this noise just came on when I started recording this thing. That's where is it? If it wasn't so cold, I'll go around the corner, and I bet it's a truck. So, as again, I'm back in the spot where it was deserted, but excuse me, I'm back to sleep. But like I said, if I had my shoes on, I'd go around the corner and find out what to see if they started making that noise to mask. But I'm trying to record this thing making that noise. Alright guys.